MetaQuest hand straps. Let's unbox them and set them up, shall we? These are, of course, the star of the show. MetaQuest Touch Plus Controller Active Straps. Now, you may be wondering, Touch Plus controller, is that like a special controller? Well, it is not. These are the Touch Plus controllers, the default controllers that come with the MetaQuest 3 and the MetaQuest 3S, okay? So we are going to open this by simply pulling this. I do like the pull tag thing. I think it makes the experience better, in my opinion, or definitely a lot easier. Like, you don't need like an extra anything, really. Although apparently I still suck at opening it, even with the full stuff. So we are just going to tear it open. Don't tell Meta or anything that I need more help opening it, okay? Okay, and here's what we got. Okay, we have these. First, we are going to, we want to make sure we're not breaking anything. So we're going to take these out gently. Okay, and then we are just going to put this up to the side, throw this up to the side as well, and take these out. Okay, yes, and now there's nothing else in the box, as you can see, which makes sense because they literally are just, well, I guess there's instructions, but yeah. But for the most part, they aren't even electronic. They're technically VR related, but that's about it. Okay, so it looks like this is the left. Yeah, it looks like this is no, this is the right. This is the left, okay? Yeah. So we are going to go ahead and put this on, okay? Yeah. We are going to go ahead and put this on. And how we are going to put it on is going to be very simple. We are going to press this button up here. Yes, there's a button up here to release this, okay? Then we are going to remove this on the end here. There's a little thing. We're just going to remove it. And then we are going to make sure this is indeed the left one. The easiest way to check is it will have a little L and R symbols. I don't think you can see it very well on camera, but that's what it has. You will want to make sure it's facing this way, and then it will slide into here. Make sure it slid all the way into here. It put this here, and then move this here, and then just connect this here like you normally would. And then since this is the left one, you can just put it on your wrist like so, or rather your hand like so. You can use this to adjust it as need be, so it's just fine for you. And then you, of course, will do the same with the other one, which we will do. Oh yeah, we literally repeat everything we did. We take this off. We remove these. I'm going to keep both of these somewhere, probably, just in case for the future. And then this, to make it easier on ourselves, what we did, I didn't exactly show you guys because I did it off screen, but I put this down here a bit, and then put this here, like this, just so it's a little bit easier for us. And then, we would do the same exact thing, make sure this is on the outside, like so. Then this would go here and here, just like so. Make sure it's fully down. And then we would do the same thing as we did with the last one. And then, of course, make sure this is up here, just like this. And then since this is for this hand, we would just make sure that this is here on here. And then as we need, we would just adjust it here. So basically, we have both of these. Yeah, we have both of these here instead of the straps, instead of these things we got put on our wrist, we have both of these here. I was a bit weary at first, but it doesn't feel like this is coming off at all. So yeah, definitely, hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.